this is our really weird shocking thing that we made in robotics class. And the way that it works is attach tons of different ways to get power so that it could get, that way it would shock you really, really well. And then, so we added this, we added this, and this, and this. It wasn't really supposed to be this. Yeah, it wasn't supposed to be a shocker. We added it. So the way it works is all the power gets built up in this electromagnetic field.
Example, so you turn it on, all the energy is up here,
and then when you touch it, then touch your forehead,
the electricity goes through your body and into your forehead.
And then when you turn it off, all the energy will be shot into your body and into your forehead, and it kind of stays.
And how we know when to turn it off is when you feel something.
I feel something in my arm. Ow.
So it goes up and hurts your brain. So this is the weird, shocky thing.
Come here.